So in this video, the question is, what is the principle of Qi Gong? Whatever the style of Qi Gong you are practicing, there is one common point to all of them. It's about awakening the energetic body, the energetic field that supports, sustains, and nourishes your physical body. So the energetic body is not something we are much aware of spontaneously, because we live more in the physical than in the energy. And also, even while in the physical, many times we're just not present because we're kind of lost into our thoughts. So in the Qi Gong practice, we will focus our attention away from the thoughts and on special points and areas of the body where we will connect the energy field. Two of those points are based under the feet, on the sole, and they are made to help us connect with the energy field of Earth. One point is situated on the top of the skull, of the head, and it helps you connect to the sky energy. And another very, very important, it's a major energetic center in the body. It's situated in your belly, and it helps you balance your presence in between sky and earth. Sky and earth. While focusing our attention onto those special places in the body, we will start awakening with awareness the energetic field. And bit by bit, with time, you will be completely more and more present into that side of your life, and Qi Gong practice will help you balance the energy and the physical. Of course, when you start practicing at the beginning, you might not feel anything. You don't know what it is, the energy, and how do I know if I'm touching anything real or not? It doesn't matter. It's not, Qi Gong is not about knowing. It's about feeling, and it's about trusting, because when you are not feeling anything yet, things are still happening. And can you trust that? Can you trust the simple fact that when you do something, it might not be needed that you know exactly what is happening? The Qi Gong is more about, even when we don't feel, it's more about becoming what we already are, and an energy body full of light and connected to the universe.